Chris from H&I with another Motor Minute, and today just want to introduce our summer water drive program. Throughout the year we do different fundraisers and collections for different causes, and during the summer from June until August we go ahead and collect cases of water for House of Refuge. House of Refuge is in Gilbert, and they help the homeless transition back into society. So it's a great little organization. We collected for them last year, about 200 cases worth. Much better than that this year. So what we ask is, hey, when you come in for your service, just bring us a case of water, and as a thank you, we'll go ahead and take $10 off your service visit. That way we do some good collections for House of Refuge. Of course, please feel free just to drop off a case of water anytime you like, and we'll make sure that gets to them. House of Refuge water drive for the summer. Hope you participate with us. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook.